Sentry Wi-Fi Security enables secure wireless connections between your endpoint devices and Cisco Meraki MR access points. In just a few clicks, you can deploy automatic EAP-TLS certificate-based Wi-Fi profiles to your device fleet, eliminating most of the typical configuration pain points such as integrating a certificate authority or managing certificate validation. Today, we're going to go over two methods to creating a Sentry Wi-Fi security configuration: auto profile via wireless configuration and manual profile via Systems Manager. The first method, auto profile via wireless configuration, will configure an SSID to use Sentry Wi-Fi with desired network and scoped device tags. This method will auto-generate a Meraki Wi-Fi device profile in Systems Manager, and no additional configuration is required. Endpoint devices enrolled in Systems Manager within the scope of the targeted tags will receive a wireless network and certificate payload. The second method, setting up a manual profile in Systems Manager, provides the added ability to create Sentry Wi-Fi profiles with additional advanced configuration. In addition to granular control over the authentication methods, you may configure proxy settings and configure quality of service settings with Cisco Fastlane.